Good morning everyone. I am Nutana. Today one of my friends, Srusti, is going to give a seminar on arithmetic progression. She is ambitious to get into one of the premier institutes, Shivamoga Institute of Medical College. She aspires to be a cardiologist. She is currently taking NEET coaching at Vidvath PU College. Thank you. Over to you, Srusti.
Thank you, Nutana. I'm Srusti S, a NEET aspirant. Today I'm going to deal with a seminar on arithmetic progression. So what is arithmetic progression? Can anyone define? Yeah, come on. Yes? Yes. Anyone, what is AP? Yes. Let me understand this with an example. Tell a number of your choice. A number. A number of your choice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you see? It's just numbers, right? Okay. What's the difference? 2 minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to, if we take the two consecutive terms, what would be the difference? Let's check it out. 3 minus 2, what's 4 minus 2? Then 4 minus 5 minus 4. If we leave a term and count the difference between them, then we will get the same difference. And if we take the any two consecutive terms, then we are going to get the difference as constant. Okay. Now, let's define what is arithmetic progression. So, the arithmetic progression is a progression in which the difference between any two consecutive terms would be same. Can anyone say? Repeat. The progression in which the difference between any two consecutive terms are same is known as, yes, what's it? Yes. We can write arithmetic progression in general form, that is A1, A2, A3 and so on till AN, where AN represents nth term of the AP. Yes. Anyone, do you know what's the nth term of the AP? The formula, the equation. Yes. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. This is the equation for nth term of an AP. So, what would we write the AP in the another form? When we substitute 1 to n, what would be the value of an? A1 is equal to A plus of, where n we substitute as 1. 1 minus 1 into D. What's 1 minus 1? 0 into D. What 0 into anything is? 0. Yes, 0 into anything is 0. So, it would be A. What about the second term? A2 is equal to A plus of 2 minus 1 into D. A2 is, what's 2 minus 1? A plus D. It's 1 into D. Then, what about the third term? A3 is equal to A plus of 3 minus 1 into D. A3 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1. This is the third term. Then, how can we represent AP in this form? AP is equal to A. The second term is A plus D, A plus 2D and so on till, what's the formula? A plus of n minus 1 into D. This is the form we present AP as. Now, let me tell you an interesting fact in AP. When we are given with an AP of odd number of terms and we are given with the middle term. For example, in an AP, the middle term is 9. Okay, middle term is 9. Then we should find the sum of first 5 terms. How would we find? Any tricks? Any guesses? How? Let me tell. We should find the sum of first 5 terms. So n is equal to 5. Let's try and write the AP. Okay, 3, 6, 9, 12 and 5, 15. Here the number of terms are 5 as I told and the middle term is 9. I would say to find the sum of terms, 9 the middle term into number of the terms is equal to 9 into 5. Let's check it. 3 plus 6, 9 plus 9, 18 plus 12, 30 plus 15. What did we get? Let me take another example. Let's take even middle term. Okay, middle term would be 8. Let's find out the sum of first 7 terms then. First 7 terms. N is equal to 7. Any guesses of AP? AP. What would be the AP? Sequence. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Here that number of terms are 7. Exactly 7. Right? The middle term is 9. Then what would be the sum of terms? 8. The middle term into the number of terms is equal to? Let's add it out. 2 plus 4. 6 plus 6. 12 plus 8. 20 plus 10. 30 plus 12. 42 plus 14. Yes, 56. Now, did you get something on your mind? What's it? What would be the next thing I'm going to tell? No. Yes. Yes. Sum of n terms. No. If we are given, I told what about the odd, right? The number of terms here are odd. What if we are given with the even number of terms? Yes. Let's take an example of the same AP here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Here the number of terms 6. Here we have 2 numbers as middle term. Any guesses now? What would we do? Yes, exactly correct. Let's take the mean. What's mean? 6 plus 8 divided by 2 is equal to 7. Yes. We should multiply the mean with the number of terms. Then we will get what is the sum of terms. Now, sum of terms is equal to 7 into 6. What would be this? Let's add it. 2 plus 4. 6 plus 8. 6. 12 plus 8. 20 plus 10. 12. Yes, exactly correct. I would like to give a problem on finding the common difference here.